Hey everyone, Dr. Mary here. For today's adventure, we're going to Missouri, specifically O'Day Park in O'Fallon, Missouri. The city of O'Fallon, Missouri has several large, well-appointed parks. One of the notable features of these is the rotating sculpture series, The Shape of Community. For a period of 18 months, a sculpture has a place in a particular park. There are 10 sculptures in the 2022-2023 series. Efforescome is the 10th and final sculpture of the 2022-2023 series to be considered here in Geographer. Refer to previous episodes to see the other 9. O'Day Park, located just at the city limits, is a natural area of rolling hills. The park is well placed, as it is situated within an area experiencing rapid development. O'Day Park has several unique amenities, including an adventure playground, an amphitheater, and areas dedicated to native prairie restoration. But its calling card is the O'Day Lodge, a spacious and well-appointed banquet venue suitable for large affairs. Efforescome is placed at the edge of the O'Day Lodge parking lot. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Until next time, stay safe and travel well.